find out the questions which I have missed in the section A of the.
This is the one, right?
Hmm.
Okay, the question was.
That I needed to.
Just a
find.
minute. I'll open. Okay. The question is the cost price of TV is this to this refrigerator. All are the cost price. Okay.
Hmm.
The price on which customer has bought the products. Okay. So these are the cost price. Then the shopkeeper, not the customer, but the shopkeeper. Then shopkeeper sell those products which he bought for these prices at 17.25% more, which means the actual cost was 13,000 he bought for, right? Then he charged 17.25. So 13,000 ka 17.25% is what?
So basically did 1,000.
Okay, can you see my screen? The whiteboard, can you see the whiteboard? Okay. So 1,000 into 20%. ऐसे ही निकलता है? Is equals to? Yes.
You didn't divide. You did 1,000 into 20, but you had not divided 100.
किया ना बेटा, ये तो ना देखो ना, it's divided by 100.
No, but okay, Excel pay you have not shown that.
Okay. I did it in a shortcut. Is equals to 1,000 into 20 divided by 100. उतना ही आएगा. What did I do? We have the percentage sign on the Excel. So what did I do? I just did equals to 1,000 multiplied by 20. Then I put the percentage sign. Okay, so that, yeah, so that is very obvious that when we are using the percentage sign, it means it's divided by 100. Am I clear? And if I'll do enter, see, the answer will be same.
And now you multiplied.
No. I'm not multiplying. I will deduct it. See, we just don't have to mug up. We have to understand with the concept. You went out to get a bread of 50 rupees. This is the cost price of the bread, 50 rupees. Now you ask the shopkeeper, uncle, will you provide any discount on this bread? So he will say, okay, 2% discount. See this, you were asking about the today. So equals to today, see. And what does it say? It returns the current date formatted as a date. Okay, you just click on it and enter. What is the today's date? It's 11th June. Okay, let's go to the spreadsheet from the beginning. Okay, are you on the spreadsheet with me?
Yes.
Okay, so the first part is about the how to enter the formula. So you know this, we use equal to sign.